Hello friends, this is your girl Goldilocks here, and this is just a follow-up video for another video that I did a few days ago on how you can bling out any celebration you have, specifically with champagne glasses. The new year is coming up, perfect way to celebrate it. You can also do this for birthdays, bachelorette parties, baby showers, any type of event. Even Valentine's Day is coming up. Any type of event that you just want to make extra special and you really want to stand out, this is perfect. So before we get started, please make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the notifications so we can get this party started. Also make sure you watch the video to the end so you can see the fabulous result. So here we go. All we're using is a plastic champagne glass. Obviously I recommend you use plastic instead of glass. And this is a beautiful chandelier type ribbon that is so freaking awesome and cool, really easy to work with. And all you'll need other than that is a hot glue gun. Here I'm just measuring out our chandelier ribbon to make it, perfect for our glass. And with that, I'm just going to use the hot glue to glue it on to our champagne glass. Now, of course, you can use other types of glue if you want. The only funky thing about hot glue is obviously the temperature, and sometimes you can accidentally use too much. A lot of times you can get rid of that excess glue. It'll usually string itself off. Just a precautionary tale, but other than that, I really love to use the hot glue because it gives you a really nice instant result. So you can't really beat that. It sets really quickly. So check this out with the hot glue. I'm just putting our glue on the edge here, and after that I'm just going to secure our ribbon right to the glass. Voila, like so. And again, sometimes the glue can be hot. It cools really fast, so usually you don't have to worry about burning yourself, but just be cautious, it is hot. And there I am. I'm just picking like any excess glue as much as I can while it's still warm. It's usually a lot easier to remove any excess glue while it's warm, but a lot of times you can just wipe this after the fact, after you're done, with like a microfiber cloth, and all of that like glue or the strings, what have you, it will come right off. So that is a nice thing about hot glue. And as you can see, we're just continuing on. All you have to do is put the glue around the edge. I just do it like on the top, very top part of the edge, because the glue spreads, so and the glue you already have a tendency to use maybe a little too much, so it's no reason to put it like on all 4 rows. As you can see there, I just try to put it on that like top row of rhinestones, and it like spreads itself out, so it works perfectly and it's super secure. And this is such a quick and easy way to like jazz up your so old jazz to like jazz up or sparkle up or just like add that bling, that drip to any celebration. It's so fast, it's so easy, and it looks so good. And I guarantee you, anybody who attends your party has never seen this look before, so it's really going to make you stand out and be fabulous. What's funny, these glasses that have a slight pink tint, which actually worked out really good for me because I happen to have this light pink bottle of rosé, which worked out perfectly. But you could use any color. I think preferably most people would use clear. I just have pink because like that is literally all I could find. So yeah, and these supplies, particularly the glasses, you can pretty much find in any party store. The ribbon, craft store, Amazon. I'm going to add the links in the description if you guys want to purchase this stuff and try it out. I highly recommend it for your celebrations, particularly New Year's, because New Year's, champagne, they all go together. Yes, do it. Everyone's gonna be like, oh my god, she's fabulous, or he. Alright guys, so we're just putting our last few touches on our lovely glass here. Again, as you can see, super easy to do, not complicated. Just again, watch out for any excess glue You're definitely going to get some strings with the hot glue gun, so just make sure you remove those. Again, use a microfiber cloth. We'll just, get rid of them very quickly. And there you have it. There is our glass. And yeah, now you can go and impress all your friends and family, and they know how fabulous you are. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I'm just gonna let you vibe out for the rest of the video. Enjoy, and make sure you again check out the original video, and there's also going to be a secondary video for the second look, so check that out too. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.